Alright, so Creative has sent me this, what is this called? A compact multimedia under monitor soundbar. So it's a soundbar for your desktop. Alright, so it's called the Creative Stage Air. And let's see what it says. Bluetooth, 20 watts peak, means 10 watts RMS. It's battery powered, big bass, auxiliary, USB. I'm just wondering if you can plug this in, because I don't know that I'd want to always have it on battery power, especially if I'm going to be using it as my desktop speakers. But I'm assuming that you can plug it in and power it somehow. We'll see. Cool, so this is it. Let's see how big this thing is. It's kind of a cool concept, right? So there it is. Go ahead and unwrap this. Actually pretty nice looking. Yeah, it's a glossy finish over here, and on the back it has a USB, it has auxiliary, and then a DC 5 volt. There you go. So you can plug it in via USB to power this thing, and on the side here it has power, volume up, volume down, and then Bluetooth. Let's see how this sounds actually. Let's see if I can connect it. Power on. Does it have any charge?
Pairing mode. Waiting for device to connect.
So it says the frequency response is supposed to be from 80 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Okay, so it has a little blue light here. Creative Stage Air, there you are. Pairing, play music. Here, I'll face it to you first.
Long enough, you can love me.
Okay.
Something in the sun or the air.
Let me face it to me. Alright, so why are you rolling away? You stay here. Okay, so I'm here at my desk. So that's better than my iMac speakers for sure. There's actually some stereo imaging. Small, but it's there. Very interesting concept. So I can see in here, it looks like it has a few drivers in here. I would say 2 active and maybe 1 passive radiator. Thank you, Creative, for sending this to me. I have a ton of speakers already, so maybe I'm gonna give this away. Make sure to follow on my Instagram at Joe and Tell, on my Twitter at Real Joe and Tell, as well as Facebook at Real Joe and Tell. Yeah, I'll probably give these away, so make sure to be following on those, and yeah, we'll figure out a way to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just package these back up. Make sure that you get all of the stuff it's supposed to come with, and then I'll put it back in the box, and it'll go out to a lucky viewer.